Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel the SEMrush free trial in 2024. So I'll walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to cancel your SEMrush free trial. So I'll make sure you know exactly how to avoid any, as example, unwanted charges after your free trial ends. And yeah, so let's just make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. So go to this URL section, type semrush.com, hit the enter button, and of course, you should be logged in into your account. If you're not, you'll be taken to this page. You can click at the top right corner login, and you can of course use a Google account if you have one. If you even created the account with it, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of logging in into your account. So you should find yourself on the dashboard right away. And to cancel your SEMrush free trial, of course, you'll need to go to Subscription Center. Of course, if you go to the top right corner to your profile, if you go and click on that, you'll find Subscription Info or Center. It's the same. And here, basically, of course, you can find like the summary of everything. It's not what you want. You can go here to Billing Info. And Billing Info here, so example for me, I still did not even start my free trial. So I'll show you here. If I click on Upgrade, they'll provide me or they will offer me a free trial. For you, if you already started your free trial, if you go here to Bill Info, you'll be able to find a cancel button and you can start following the prompts or follow the prompts that they give you to simply cancel your free trial right away. Of course, you can even find here, as an example for me, my plan is free. I still did not upgrade to any plan or free trial, something like that. And of course, for you can afterwards upgrade if you want to. Even if your free trial ends, you'll be able to upgrade after. You'll not like say, oh, you cancel or something like that. But you'll not get the free trial again, which is 7 days. You'll get it just on a fresh account if you want to go and start a fresh account and start your free trial again. But you will get like a loss of account, so you'll not have a limited account, I guess. But it's totally up to you, of course, if you want to do it for 7 days each time. But keep in mind, if you didn't cancel the free trial, once the 7 days ends, they will charge your card with this amount. Or if you go with Pro, normally they'll charge, if you go and click on start free trial, they'll charge your card with the Pro plan. But if you choose like other plan like a business or Guru as an example, they'll charge you with that. And of course, if you choose also annually, they'll charge you like for the annual plan, which is going to be this per month. So they even calculated how much. So it's going to be like 117.33 multiplied by 12, and as you can see, it's going to be $1,000, $407.96. So keep that in mind. They might charge you this if you didn't cancel your plan, so make sure to cancel it if you go and start like unlimited accounts. So yeah, and here you can just go in summary. Of course, you'll be able to see the plan. And if you see the free plan, that means you canceled your plan, of course. Of course, as we said, you can go to Billing Info and cancel it from here. You can even here see the payment that you've made. API unit, that's we will not need that. But anyway, here you'll be able to see the payments if your card somehow make any payments. Here you can cancel or link also your card or cancel like your free trial. And finally, here as you can see, you'll be able to check if your trial is cancelled or not. As you can see, my plan is free, so I'm not on free plan, or I'm not on a free trial. I'm not on like a pro plan on the free trial of it, and etc. So yeah. And that normally should be it. Of course, if you want also to close your account or delete your account for SEMrush, you'll need to go and contact the support. It's not like any other option where you have just to go to your, as example, I don't know, profile and try to delete your account. You'll not be able to do it in here. So yeah, that's going to be basically it. Of course, if you need to know how to delete an account, I've made a video about it if you want to go and check it out. And yeah, so that's how you cancel your SEMrush free trial in 2024. Thank you for watching. And just one more thing, I'll try to provide like some visuals and look, as example, just copy the idea of this video, or okay, it's too much. So just go here and I'll copy the title of this video as an example, hit the enter button, and just hope it provides some visuals for us. So yeah, manage subscription. I just want to show you like how it's going to look like. So contact us, continue, etc. So yeah, this is if you want to contact them as example to cancel the subscription. This is not to cancel the free trial. But of course, you can use that also for free trial if you want to. But in free trial, you'll probably find it in like here subscription info. But if you didn't find this, you can also like do this. So example in here where you'll have to contact them as example, and your subscription will be canceled example. So you can simply go to subscription info. After that, go to contact us example to disable the recurring payments. But this is if you already have a subscription, not the free trial. So okay, can I go back? Or I can't. Okay, I can go back. So example, yeah, this one has a 30 days free trial as it seems, but there's no 30 days, there's 7 days, but it's fine. So an example here, as an example to disable the recurring payments, please contact us, click on contact us, choose whatever suits you, or click on continue as example, continue again if you want to tell them why, and etc. Keep in continue, hit the enter button or the name and etc. the password I guess, and make sure to check this button which is I agree, and all the projects will be deleted after 30 days starting the day I'm unsubscribed. So click on unsubscribe and your subscription will be cancelled, but if you're already subscribed. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.